Alright, I think we're done with the 40 inches of snow. We got walloped, but I want to show you what Gail and I did. This is pretty sweet. Going through the driveway, it's clean, very clean. Now this is it. Path took days. Could have took weeks. But we're pretty efficient here. Here's our rest area for drinking at night. Tea, of course, hot tea. And we keep walking through the backyard on our path. And here is the luge. We figure we can probably get up to about 40, maybe 50 miles an hour down this bad boy. And it goes all the way down to the shed. There's a ramp. Last person to do it, I think they shot up at least 20 or 30 feet. They about 20 feet. Anyway, I'll go back. Here's the rest of the deck. There's a lot of snow. A lot of snow. And it's the run path too. This is where we do our cross-country training for the next week. Whew. Whew. Yep. Pretty nice. If I was 10 years old, I'd be having a field day out here. Here's the house. Gutters aren't looking too good. And that's it. See ya!